So today we will see how to merge PDF from multiple PDF files. So let us open the VS Code and I'm creating a on Python file that is merge pdf.py, and this is our splitted PDF file. So there are 400 PDF files are there, and this folder will merge the PDF. So then that we have opened that merge.pdf.py. Then first we need to import 5pdf2. Then we need to import OS, and then we will create a function. So function name is merge pdf. So we'll take here one input path and another is output folder, output path or output file. Then we will call the writer PDF writer. So PDF writer equal to 5pdf dot PDF writer. So we will use it later. Then we are looping through every PDF files. So PDF files equal to for file in. Okay, so I need to write here file for file in OS list bits. So our input path, and we'll check if there is a PDF file or not. So if file ends with .pdf, then it will create a list of PDF files. Then we will look through the PDF files. For PDF file in PDF files, in PDF files, we are first creating a PDF path. PDF path equal to os dot path, os dot path dot join, then our input path and PDF file. So our every PDF file is ready. Then we need to actually call the PDF reader. PDF reader equal to 5 PDF readers and then PDF path. Okay, then again we need to do a for loop for page num in range len PDF reader dot pages, and then we will create the page equal to PDF reader dot pages and page index. So page num. Then we will call the PDF writer dot add page. Then we will put the page here. Okay. Then we will get with open output file, writing binary as output PDF, and then again calling PDF writer to write, then output PDF. Then we have created all the functions, and now we will call the function. So if dot name equal to underscore main, then we will create the first we'll create the input path equal to this, output file equal to this, merge PDF input path and output file. Okay, now we need to assign the path. So first I'm actually copying the input path is here. So input path, and then we need to copy the output path, not this one PDF, and we have copied, then here put here, and we are creating a name storybook.pdf, and last print PDF file has been generated. Okay, so let's see if this is working, yes or no. Yeah, so PDF file has been generated. So if I go to that folder and I check, then now you see storybook has been created. So 405 pages has been merged into one PDF. So in this way, you can merge PDF files.